Hello, everybody. I am James Pardee. I'm an exercise science major, as you can see, and I am pursuing a career as an athletic trainer. As you can see, this is my homepage, which includes a brief paragraph about myself, along with a picture of myself. Also includes my contact information, a link to my blog post, and as well as hyperlinks to my resume, my work, and my blog posts. On my homepage, there's also hyperlinks up here, so these two are also the same as my resume, my work, and also a contact page. If you go and click on my resume page, it shows my highlights, my work experience, and my education, along with extracurricular activities and my accolades throughout my career. Next is my work page. These include my latest projects such as my personalized fitness programs, a cookbook, or online coaching. Lastly is my contact page. As you can see, it holds my email and also a link to my blog post, as well as if you have any questions, you can type in your name, email, or phone number and type in a message right here so you can contact me directly. When constructing my e-portfolio, when constructing my e-portfolio, I wanted to keep the design basic so it was not overwhelming for the reader. I also chose comfort colors to help the reader be more at ease. Some changes I will make in the future will definitely come to my resume because as I get older, I will hopefully have more work experience and more education along with more accolades. I will also improve on my work page by hopefully including some fitness programs, some fitness videos, or major physical events that I have done. One of the biggest issues for me was selecting a template because Wix offered so many templates I couldn't pick which one. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, I want to keep it easy. Overall, I enjoy using Wix to make my e-portfolio, and they made the process really easy, along with having so many templates and so many options, and they really walked me through step by step. In the future, I plan to utilize my e-portfolio to act as a welcome site to promote not just my accomplishments, but my future company. And lastly, as you can see, the link to my blog post does work and leads you right to my blog. That is it. Thank you. Have a good one.